2024, Cody Shepard, the owner of Beyond Compare Remodeling, had come into our office to request temp labor. It was shortly after a hurricane had happened. He was remodeling a building. He was a contractor on it. And so he came in and talked to us a little bit about our services. I explained it. He said he had a contract for a building up the road and needed some temp labor. Signed the contract that day. The very next day, we had sent out the temp labor for him, including laborers, drywall, painters, etc.
And do you have a copy of the staffing agreement in front of you?
I do.
I'm going to show a copy to the court so that they can identify it. And then if you could identify that and advise the court what is detailed on that agreement.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Can you identify the document for the court, the agreement, and then what is detailed in the agreement?
Yeah, it is our staffing agreement, and it basically goes over what we do. Like, we hire express employees, you know, we pay all the taxes, withholding, workman's comp, unemployment insurance, all that good stuff. It goes over the bill rate and the markup charged by Express. In provision 4, you'll see that any invoices that are not paid after 30 days have an 18% annum interest charge. This particular client, I did want to note, and you'll see that there's a little note there that says net 30. Typically our invoices are net 10 payment terms, but this specific client, and a lot of clients ask us to revise those payment terms. And so I agreed to a net 30 for him. But it just goes over our workman's compensation cover, general liability.
Is the agreement? I'm sorry. Is the agreement signed by the defendant?
It was, yes.
And is it dated?
It is.
And what is that date?
11/25/2024. I'm sorry.
And then after entering into the service agreement with the defendant, did you provide temporary labor to them?
Yes, sir.
And do you have the 3 outstanding invoices in front of you?
I do.
I'm going to bring those to the court.
Sure.
And if you could, again, identify for the court what those documents are and what is detailed.
Yeah, absolutely. So these are the invoices. You can see the client's name is at the very top of them. It goes over the associates. So he had some helpers, like for instance, the very first invoice that ends in 9532. It's got the helpers. It goes over their hourly, the rate, which I don't know if you've supplied the rate sheets yet or how that works. But he worked, like the first person on here worked 15.25 hours at $23 per hour, and so on. There's a total of 3 invoices. He worked 3 straight weeks. He had employees working 3 straight weeks with our services.
And what are the amounts of the 3 invoices? If you could separate them for each one so the court can review while you're talking.
Absolutely. The first invoice, 316-69532, is a total of $6,667.88. Invoice 316-96232, the total is $6,870. And the invoice 317-32064 is in the amount of $6,947.26.
And did the defendant make any payments against those balances?
No, sir.
And pursuant to the contract, you did charge some interest as they were past the net 30 date, is that correct?
That is correct.
And is the total amount of interest charged as of October 1st, 2025, $2,666.03?
Yes, sir.
And are you seeking the total amount for the 3 invoices, is it $20,485.14?
Yes, sir.
And are you seeking today a judgment in the amount of $23,151.17?
Yes, sir.
No further questions, Your Honor, unless the court has questions for us.
No, I'm good. All right, so I'm going to find that the defendant is in default, has not appeared. The damages indicate the amount of $20,485.14 plus interest due after the net 30 terms of 2666.03, so I'll award judgment in the amount of $23,151.17.
Your Honor, here's a copy of the proposed entry.
Okay.
In court.
All right.
Thank you.
And the costs. Anything further, Mr. Lurie?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, what was it? Did the app